Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video we have to find out the value of the x. So we have the problem x power 3x power 15 equal to 5. So we can write x power 3x as x power 3 whole power x power 3 power 5 equal to 5. So let's suppose x power 3 equal to z. Now we are writing the equation as z power 5 equal to 5. So we can write z power 5 as z power up to infinity equal to 5. Why? Because 5 is equal to z power 5. So we can write z power 5 instead of 5. So it will go up to infinity. So we can write it as z power 5 equal to 5. Now z equal to 5 power 1 upon 5. If we bring power on the right hand side, so it will be 1 upon 5. Now replacing the values, x power 3 instead of z, so x power 3 equal to 5 power 1 upon 5. Therefore x will be equal to 5 power 1 upon 3 into 5. So the answer will be x equal to 5 power 1 upon 15. So this is the value of the x. Thanks for watching.